Are you keeping an eye on safety? Have you seen this on a job site near you lately? A runaway handle on a walk-behind trowel. How do you stop it? Not to mention the potential for injury to workers, damage to a fresh slab, even costly repairs to a damaged machine. At Wacker Neuson, we've been making concrete trowels for nearly 30 years, offering over 64 different model variations. Our machines are designed and built with the most advanced technology, offering contractors high-quality tools for concrete finishing. Wacker Neuson offers trowels for residential to light commercial industrial applications. Safety is paramount on the job site. Other manufacturers' trowels use a standard centrifugal safety switch. At Wacker Neuson, we've designed our trowels with safety in mind. We put the engineering and design into our trowel to support job site safety. Our patented GEARBOX, brake, and gyroscope comprise our patented triple protection technology. The patented engine module prevents full throttle restart after unplanned engine shutdown. Unlike other competitive walk-behind trowel units, our triple protection technology offers a huge safety advantage on the job site. Because if in a loss of control situation, our trowel stops spinning within a single rotation. Some competitors have limited technology and control mechanisms to quickly stop the free rotation of a runaway unit. And that's just the beginning of the Wacker Neuson walk-behind trowel advantage. For the next concrete trowel you rent or buy, insist on the gyro brake technology from Wacker Neuson. To find out more about our trowel advantages, including trusted performance, superior reliability, patented design, or to schedule a demonstration or locate a dealer near you, visit us online at www.wackerneuson.com. When safety counts, when innovation matters, the choice is clear. Choose concrete walk-behind trowels from Wacker Neuson.